Oh, hello, Jack. Are you looking for my son? I will call Ben right now. Ben. Ben. Ben.
Good morning, Mr. Connor. Yes, please, I need to talk to him.
Sure, he will be here in a second. Oh, wait, I forgot. He's not here right now.
Oh, he's not?
He went out with some friends. Did not he tell you? I thought you were his best friend.
Oh, that's a pity. What happened is that I lost my cell phone, so he could not call me. Anyway, I'm leaving then. Thank you so much, Mr. Connor. Have a nice day.
Hey, wait. You don't look so good. Are you having problems? I can recognize that expression. It's about a woman, right? I know that look.
Well, yeah, but I don't want to bother you, sir. I wanted to talk to Ben, but if he's not here.
All right, if you don't want to talk, that's okay. Have a great day.
Yeah, it's a woman. It's my girlfriend. We fight all the time. I don't know what to do.
I see. Young couples usually fight, son. Is it serious?
Maybe you can help me. Ben told me you and your wife are happy. How do you do it?
Look, I'm not an expert, but maybe I can give you some advice about relationships.
It would be an honor to hear that. I really need to solve my couple problems.
Well, based on my experience, the first thing you have to do is get to know yourself. Take the time to appreciate yourself and get in touch with your emotions. This will help you express yourself clearly and more effectively. Not knowing how to regulate your emotions and express them in a healthy way is bad. It can negatively affect your mental well-being. Couples often forget about that. They just think about their partner and forget about themselves, and that's wrong.
I think I get it. You're saying I should focus on myself first before my partner.
Exactly. Because maybe you are the problem, or maybe not, but you will never know that if you don't get to know yourself first. Do you understand?
Yes, I get it. That's interesting. What else, sir?
The second thing is to keep expectations realistic at all times. No one can be everything we might want them to be. Healthy relationships mean accepting people as they are. Don't try to change them. Accept your partner, including their weaknesses. Also, talk to each other. I know you have heard this before, but communication is essential to healthy relationships. That's key.
Of course, we always talk about our problems, but we end up fighting.
That's because you're doing it the wrong way. This is what you need to do. Pay attention. Take the time to really be there. Sometimes our body is present, but our mind is elsewhere. Listen. Don't interrupt or plan what you're going to say next. Please, don't do that. Try to fully understand her perspective, and if you understand, ask questions. Show you're interested. Ask about her experiences, feelings, opinions, and interests. Also, be flexible. It's natural to feel uneasy about changes. It happened to me. But healthy relationships allow for change and growth. It's part of the process. Oh, and never forget to take care of yourself too. That's very important. Healthy relationships are mutual, with room for both people's needs. You have your own needs. Go out with your friends, visit your parents, play sports, study something. Get your hair cut, go to a spa, or simply do what you like to do. You're not a prisoner.
Maybe that's the problem. We're spending too much time together. I don't go out alone.
Well, start doing that, then. Take care of yourself, buddy. Don't forget that.
I will do that. In fact, I have tried some of these things, but we keep fighting.
Alright then, I will give you some tips for those fights. Look, most relationships have some conflict. It only means you disagree about something. It does not mean you don't like each other. It just means you think differently. Cool down before talking. The conversation will be more productive if you have it when your emotions have cooled off a little, so you don't say something you might regret later. It really helped me a lot. Believe me, I used to fight with my wife too. When we were angry, we disrespected each other. It was terrible to hear and see. Then we started doing what I'm telling you, cool off, and everything will be better. Also, share how you feel and what you want without assigning blame or motives. For example, instead of saying, "You never call me when you're away," you could say, "When you don't call me, I start to feel like you don't care about me." It's very important to express your feelings the right way, otherwise, she will misunderstand. Keep your language clear and specific. Try to factually describe behavior that upsets you. Avoid criticism and judgment. Attack the problem, not the person. Focus on the current issue. The conversation will get bogged down if you pile on everything that bothers you. Avoid using always or never language, and address one issue at a time. And please, Jack, take responsibility for mistakes. Apologize if you've done something wrong. Don't ignore your responsibility. Don't play the fool. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sometimes it's hard to admit you did something wrong, but I guess I will have to do it. I don't want to break up with her. I really love her.
I know that. If you did not love her, you would not be here listening to me or asking for help. And finally, recognize that some problems are not easily solved. Not all differences or difficulties can be resolved. Communication is good for solving some problems, but some things are impossible to change. It's important to figure out for yourself what you can accept or when a relationship is no longer healthy for you. Sometimes that person is just not for us, and it's difficult to accept that, I know. I hope that's not the case for you. Seriously, I hope you can solve your problems.
I hope so too. Thank you so much, sir. You have helped me a lot. Thank you.
That's okay. And if you ever want to talk to someone, you can always count on me. I hope you liked this conversation. If it helped you improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.